In 3 cups of boiled rice, which I've normally boiled with 1.5 teaspoon of salt. And here I have got half a capsicum which I've finely chopped, like you can see it's quite fine. And here I have taken half a carrot, and this too I have finely sliced them into these thin sticks or juliennes. Here I've got half a cabbage. If there's a need, we'll add the entire portion. Otherwise we will take only how much we need. And these are ginger juliennes. I took a 3-inch piece and then I made into juliennes. And these are French beans. I cut them like this in this diamond shape. So I just took 4 stalks of French beans, and then I cut them into these shapes. And this is 150 grams of chicken breast. Here I have got 5 cloves of garlic which are finely chopped. I processed them into my food processor. Here I have half a teaspoon of Chinese salt or Ajinomoto. This is 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt. I've already added salt in the rice, but in case if there's a need, we will add. So this the normal salt is only for standby, and I have soya sauce here. I exactly don't know how much we would be needing. So I would surely tell you how much we would be adding, but in case if I forget, then don't forget to see in the description box. Surely it would be noted there. And some oil for cooking. So here I have heated up 4 tablespoons of oil in my broad pan. Now I'm going to add garlic. Let it sizzle well. We're going to add some ginger, the entire one. We are not going to keep any for garnishing. You can add ginger paste as well, but these juliennes will give you a very good taste. Now I'm going to add this chicken and cook it totally. And there's one tip. If you are making Chinese, see to it that your heat is at the highest. So now we're going to just cook till the chicken changes its color. Now I'm going to add all the hard vegetables. Here goes the French beans and a few. I'm just taking 1 handful right now. If I need more, I'll add. Because like other vegetables, so we need to just check and add. Yes, we need 1 more. This is another handful. So out of the half carrot that we sliced, we are just adding 2 handfuls of carrot juliennes. Now we'll just let it cook for some time, and then we'll add the spices and the sauces. So now I'm just going to add the cabbage. I'm adding the entire cabbage because it's going to really wilt very fast. And now I'm adding this Ajinomoto. We took a half teaspoon of this. Give it a good mix. The flame is still on high, so you can see how beautiful these vegetables are looking. I'm feeling like eating them like this only. Now I'll be adding, this is 1 teaspoon of black pepper, so I'm just going to add half of it, and the other half I'm going to put when I add the rice. So normally when you see in the restaurants, they are making the fried rice in batches, but here we are adding it together because we are going to eat it at one time. And what I'm making here with 3 cups of rice will pass on till 2 times, like morning, the lunch and the dinner for 4 people. So now this is done. I'm going to add the capsicum. I'm not going to cook the capsicum a lot, and now I'm going to add the rice. So now here goes in the rice, with 3 cups of rice. The flame is still high. I'll just add little, mix it, and then we add the rest. Make sure that when you cook the rice, it should not be very mushy. Like if you have seen my video for Afghani Zamrud Pulao, so in that I have shown you how to cook the rice 80 to 85%, and then just steam it, strain it, and then steam it. So I'll just add the entire rice now. At this stage, I would suggest that you do a taste test. Alright, and then if you need, you can add the salt. Like I had shown you, we have kept half a teaspoon of salt for standby. Now I'll just get I'll just add the soya sauce now. So as I told you, I have got no definite measurement. So here I'm using a teaspoon. This is 1 teaspoon. Why I'm saying I don't have a definite measurement, because each and every soya sauce has got a different flavor. Different color. Some are dark. They say that they are dark, but actually they are not so dark. So if you see, this is quite okay. So I have used 2 teaspoons of soya sauce. Now we'll just let it saute for some time, and our fried rice, chicken fried rice, will be ready. So I did a taste test, and I'm going to add the remaining black pepper, because the salt is perfectly enough for me. It seems quite okay. But later on, if after the rice cools, and if you feel that we have switched off the gas, if you feel that the rice has got less salt, then you can add a little from the top. So now, right now, the fried rice is ready, and now you can serve it. So friends, here our chicken fried rice is ready. Do try it, and you can serve it along with any Manchurian of your choice. Very soon I'll be posting a video on Manchurian, so you can see that. And do try this, post your comments, share my videos with your family and friends, and thank you for watching my video.